Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Sometimes it feels like this world's gone crazy. Grandpa, take me back to yesterday, when the line between right and wrong didn't seem so hazy. Did lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other, come what may? Is promise really something people kept, not just something they would say? Families really bow their heads to pray, daddies really never go away. Oh, oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days.
So I want to try and make sure I say the name of every soldier here, so I just want to say out loud. Wallace Newman from Texas here. Joseph Tyndall, Missouri.
Everything changed.
Dewey Stouffer, Ohio. Mr. Blue here. Oscar Blue. September 3rd, 1979.
Let's wander back into the past, then paint me the picture of long ago. Did lovers really fall in love to stay, stand beside each other, come what may? Is promise really something people kept, not just something they would say and then forget? Families really bow their heads to pray, daddies really never go away. Oh, oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days. Oh, oh, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days.
John Winnick from Kansas. Paul Perlin. Reinhold Cedar, California. Herbert Bohannon, Texas. Mary Jackson, New York. Michael Wade. Charles Miller, Missouri. Robert Shawner, Nebraska. Harold Abbott, Massachusetts. Thomas Aldrich, Missouri. Irvin Hadley. Edward Grant. John Andrews, Minnesota. George Krebs. Annette McClendon, Arkansas. Carl Saltvig, Ohio. James Cook. Bud Timmons, Montana. Silas Morrison. Alexander Bossman, Colorado. Leon DeBruin, Iowa. Paul Fogel, Illinois. Timothy Lane. John Johnson, Samuel Fletcher, Tennessee. George Moore, Texas. Charles Young, Colorado. Peter Babin. Harry Walters, Wisconsin. James Oswald, U.S. Navy. Got Harry Rosenthal from Nebraska. Harry Hoffman, South Dakota. Clarence Case, Iowa. Yep. Clear this off for him. Marshall Esprit, Texas. Peter Mortensen, New York. Max Fisher, California. We're here right now at the LA National Cemetery doing their cleaning. I felt like some of these soldiers needed their names read out loud, so we're cleaning the stand-up headstones, but these headstones, they kind of get mowed over and covered with grass, and I don't know, I felt like I owed them a little remembrance here on 9/11. John McSweeney, New York. World War I. Robert Walkie, Iowa, World War I. Lewis Hamilton, Pennsylvania, World War I. Louis Pettyman, Ohio, World War I. There's some over here from the Spanish American Army. There's World War II in here as well. John Mercer and his wife. Edward Reed, Michigan, Spanish-American War. Nathan Hopkins, Texas, World War I. Andy Keith, Illinois, World War II. It needs mode. This is Westwood.